Hey there, Victorian drivers-to-be. Cruising around in your own set of wheels is awesome, right? But before you hit the open road, there's one crucial step: registering your vehicle. It might sound like a chore, but trust me, it's way easier than it seems. Plus, it's the law. Think of registration like getting your car its own ID card. It proves you own the car and helps keep track of all the awesome vehicles cruising around Victoria. Without it, you could face some hefty fines, and nobody wants that. So why is registration so important? Safety first. By registering your car, you're making sure all the information about your vehicle is up to date and accurate. This helps keep everyone safe on the road, from you and your passengers to other drivers and pedestrians. All right, let's gather the essentials before you embark on your registration adventure. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. First up, you'll need proof of your identity. A driver's license or passport will do the trick. Next, let's talk about your car's history. You'll need to provide evidence of your vehicle's identity, which includes its VIN, vehicle identification number, engine number, make, model, and year of manufacture. Hang on, we're almost there. If you're new to Victoria or bought your car from another state, you'll need a certificate of roadworthiness. This certificate proves your car is in tip-top shape and safe to drive on Victorian roads. Now, let's dive into the registration process itself. Don't sweat it, it's a lot easier than you might think. You've got two options: online or in person at a Vic Roads Customer Service Centre. Online registration is super convenient. Just head over to the Vic Roads website, create an account if you haven't already, and follow the prompts. You'll need your driver's license or customer number handy, and be prepared to provide all the necessary vehicle details. Prefer face-to-face interaction? No worries. Gather all your documents and head to your nearest Vic Roads Customer Service Centre. Their friendly staff will guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have. Insider tips: navigating the registration maze. Like a pro, want to make your registration experience even smoother? We've got you covered. Before you even start, make sure you have all the required documents in order. Double-check everything to avoid any last-minute surprises. Timing is key. Try to avoid peak hours at Vic Roads customer service centres, like lunch breaks and late afternoons. Trust me, your patience will thank you. Got questions? Don't hesitate to ask. The Vic Roads website has a handy FAQ section, or you can always give them a call. Their friendly team is there to help make your registration experience as seamless as possible. Registration renewal. Keeping your ride roadworthy. Congratulations on registering your car. Now let's talk about keeping it that way. Your registration isn't a one-time thing. You'll need to renew it annually or every few months, depending on your preference. Vic Roads will send you a friendly reminder notice before your registration expires, so keep an eye out for that in the mail. You can renew online, by phone, by mail, or in person at a Vic Roads customer service centre. Remember, driving with an expired registration is a big no-no and could result in fines and other penalties. So mark your calendar and renew on time to avoid any unnecessary hassle. Hit the road with confidence. Your Victorian registration awaits. That's it, you're good to go. Registering your car in Victoria is a straightforward process, especially with these handy tips. Remember, it's not just about following the law, it's about ensuring your safety and the safety of everyone else on the road. So gather your documents, choose your preferred method, and get that registration sorted. Once that's done, you'll be free to explore all the amazing places and experiences Victoria has to offer, from the Great Ocean Road to the Grampians National Park.